Hi guys, this is Param Krunal Modi and I am the owner and founder of Slim Possible Diet. With over 9 years of experience in food and nutrition, I have dealt with over thousands of new mothers because post-pregnancy is something which is very close to my heart because I have myself shed a lot of weight after my pregnancy. So if you wish to know my journey, you can go to my Instagram profile, that is Slim Possible Diet. You can ask me your queries on anything that you want related to your self-care, related to your hair, skin, weight loss. You can put up your queries and I'm here to help you. Thank you, Omania, for getting me back again for a new topic, that is how fitness and self-care is important for a new mother. So after training and after having one-to-one sessions with my new mother clients, I have understood that there are 4 or 5 things that the new mother has a complaint about, or these are the problems with the new mothers always face. One is gas and bloating, the other one is hair and skin issues, the third one is they get knee pain and back pain. So let's get started with knee pain and back pain first. For knee pain and back pain, the main reason is your weight, because your body is not used to so much of weight. You've been on maybe a lighter side, or you've not been to taking, your body is not used to taking rest, and if you are somebody who has been very active and now you can't work out because of your pregnancy or your post pregnancy, so this can be a reason. There can be a reason that you are your body is having deficiency of some vitamins like D, B12 or proteins, or your calcium levels are being down. So make sure you eat healthy food. For nutrition related queries, you just go through the first video that in which we have covered a lot about nutrition. So make sure you just have a look at that video, and if you have any queries, you can come up to me directly on my Instagram account, or you can come up to us via Ovumania. So the other thing which the new mother faces, which is really like we've been hearing people talking to us about it, that you should feed your baby in a right position, otherwise you'll get a spine problem, your back will pain. So first thing is, you don't go towards the baby, get the baby towards you to feed. So that is the right posture which will not affect your back. Second is, take a proper position and sit with the rest and then you feed. Don't sit randomly anywhere and then feed. Have a proper chair, or maybe if you're sitting on a bed, you have proper pillow and you have a feeding pillow or a normal pillow, and bring the baby towards you. You don't have to bend and go towards the baby. So that is one thing which is very, very important, and with a little experience and with a little practice, you will develop a habit of doing that. So this is how you can take care of your knee and your spine and your back. The other main important problem that the new mothers face is hair fall. Hair fall is because of the nutrition deficiencies also, and hair fall can be because you are not eating enough of proteins, calcium rich food, and food which is rich for your hair growth. So make sure you have a lot of buttermilk, curd, you have food which is rich in biotin. So all this is going to take care of your health. Try your DIY mask at home. There are many self-care tips that I've given on my profile. You can go check it out. You can apply curd on your hair. You can apply juice of onion on your hair, so that just take 2 onions, smash it, blend it, and strain it. Mix that juice with your coconut oil and apply it on the traces. Like literally, it should be proper. The smell is going to be very strong, but you keep it for half an hour, 1 hour, or if you're comfortable, you can keep it overnight and wash it the next day. This is going to be really helpful for your hair fall. So make sure you can try these tips. And even nutrition plays a very, very important role. And most important thing that a mother is missing is water. So if your water levels, if you have proper water, if you have water in regular intervals of time, if your water intake is right, you will never face lactation problem, you will never face hair loss problem, skin problem, or weight loss problem. water plays a very important role, even if you're not a new mother, but water is very very essential. So make sure, if you're somebody who forgets having water, set a reminder. Or like I do is, whenever I used to feed my baby, I first used to drink a very tall glass of water and then used to feed him, and after feeding again I used to drink a tall glass of water. So this is how, small things you can take care of. Before the meals, have 1 glass of water. Post meals, have only little water, and after a while have 1 glass of water. Including a lot of water will also help you in gas and bloating, which a new mother often faces. So this is how you can take care of your hair along with your water intake. So let's come to skin. Skin is also again related to water. If you have enough of water, your skin problem is going to get solved. The other thing which a new mother faces is stretch marks. For stretch marks, no miracle is going to help you. Trust me, I've tried everything possible. Nothing is, no miracle is going to happen. So what you can do is, first thing, very very important thing is water intake. Second is coconut oil. Start applying coconut oil post delivery. Even when you are pregnant, you can start applying coconut oil. Just mildly massage it, very very light handed. Don't just rub it and be harsh to yourself. Just a little coconut oil on your areas where you get stretch mark, and it is going to be lightened with the time, but don't expect miracle, again I'm telling you. So this is how you can take care of your skin. And make sure, post pregnancy there are 3 things that are really important: water, sleep and nutrition. If you take care of all these things, you are sorted. Plus workout, we have covered a little part in our first video, that is on how you should start walking after your meals, and you should not sit after your meals, at least 15 minutes of walk. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any queries, you can put up on my DM, and let me know if you wish to know anything else. And I hope you liked it. Thank you.